Get your own concept at the link in description. Get digital artwork and more benefit by joining us at the link in description. Thanks for supporting us. In this section, continue to drawing the middle frame as same as first one. In our philosophy, middle frame is very important, imaging that it will play a role like a chainmail of the night. It also have function to support the out armor and damage disturbing. This layer is especially important for high mobility model with need to be equipped a light armor. Middle frame isn't designed as a unibody frame, it is designed as module design. It will support for lightweight, easy to repair, maintenance and assembling other modules. This is an example for module design. In the next section, let's diving more about the middle frame before we go to the outside armor.